Understand, attract, and retain influencers by watching this to the end. 90% of marketers feel that influencers are their best option. Over 95% of first purchases from a brand are caused by influencers. Brands earn trust and more posts by selling efficiently to their followers. To protect their reputation with influencers, brands approach them only when they have a well-tested, efficient selling machine. To test and improve efficiency, brands reach a small number of prospects on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube with multiple advertisement and offer combinations till they find a couple that earn $2 to $10 per dollar invested in ads. They also constantly try to improve online conversion. When you have a winning combination, you have a very attractive, valuable, magic machine that influencers love. All you have to do is try out a few ads. For answers and help, please comment below. To learn more, subscribe and like this video.